If you're taking your driving assessment in Mirrabooka in Western Australia, the intersection that I'm just going to show you is reportedly the most complicated and most difficult place that learner drivers find. So you've got to turn right a lot of times without the green arrow, depending on obviously if you've got a green arrow, which doesn't last throughout the entire wave of the green light. So sometimes it goes red and the red arrow drops, and then you've got to proceed through the single green light where you have to give way to the traffic from the opposite direction. So this is at the corner of Mirrabooka Avenue and Urigan Drive in Mirrabooka in Western Australia. The most important thing is to understand how you will execute this particular manoeuvre safely. Practice this manoeuvre to avoid failing a driving assessment. We've got cars in front of us, obviously, and we have a green arrow that's changing now to amber, and it's shortly going to go red. It's red now. Now, when the light drops, the car in front of us should move in the middle. Well, they're not moving, so this is not acceptable in the driving assessment. So you will definitely lose points if you wait, okay? Significant number of people fail their driving assessment at this particular intersection. You're not allowed to move over the white solid line until the car in front of you, the white ute, clears the intersection completely. Now you can move up to this white painted square safely and wait for the opposite direction traffic to clear before you can proceed. If it changes to amber in the meantime, don't worry, because you can still clear even partially through the red light. Now you've got to be careful about merging traffic here. We have a merge, and a lot of candidates fail at this particular merge because they're still thinking about the intersections that we've just passed. Deal with one thing at a time. If you can drive for 60 seconds perfectly, just repeat it about 30 times, and the driving assessment goes for about 30 to 35 minutes. I will attach a separate video explaining thoroughly how you will deal with these situations where there's about 10 different scenarios and 10 different intersections with a lot of cars and, busy peak hour traffic, where you can observe the best and safest practices, how to turn right without a green arrow. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.